Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I have got for you a small haul, makeup haul from Sugar. Yes, I have ordered this products directly from Sugar's own website. Sugar actually from time to time they do run nice offers. When I checked their website, they were having an offer that if I order a product for rupees 1199, I will get a bridesmaid vital kit absolutely free. Okay, in that there are two products, one is a bag and one is a lipstick. Okay, so now what all things I have ordered and how I got free products and everything, I'll definitely let you know in this video. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon as well. You can hit that bell icon for the notifications about my future uploads. You won't be missing out any of the videos, and it's absolutely free. Even you can tell your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Even they'll get the notifications and everything from time to time. Since it's absolutely free, it is not going to cost you anything, but it is going to encourage me, and it will encourage me to make more and more nice videos. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and if you like the video, share this video with your friends and family as well. Now let's move ahead with the video. Chalo, the offer was like, as I told you, 1199. Order for 1001, that is, chalo, take it 1200 rupees. Order for 1200 rupees, you get a bridesmaid vital kit free. Now there is a confusion. Basically there were two options. One is bridesmaid vital kit and one is bridesmaid kit. Now what I received is a bridesmaid kit, but I have ordered bridesmaid vital kit, vital kit. In that there is a different clutch. Okay, so I have already sent them a mail. I don't know what kind of reply I'm going to get, or what is the response I'm going to get from their side. I'm still not aware, because I wanted to order few more products from Sugar, but if they are not clearing my first order, then it is little difficult for me to place another order. I mailed them yesterday morning, that is one day is already passed, and I have not yet received any reply from them. But basically this never happens with me. Sugar, whenever I mail them, I definitely get their reply on a time to time. Maybe there is, since there is a lockdown situation right now, so maybe even they have less staff and everything, so that is why it is little delayed. But I have full faith in Sugar's website. Definitely they are going to contact me and they'll give me a best solution. Just crossing my fingers, of course, for the best solution what I get, because I have paid 1200 rupees. I should get the products which I have ordered, not the products which they have. So I'm expecting at least a fair response from their side. Let's keep everything aside. The box, as you can see, it's the sugar box. Okay, in that I have received a lookbook. It is free from Sugar. That what kind of look I'm going for, I can just use this particular products, and I can achieve this kind of look. I have just got this lookbook from Sugar. It was there in the box, and the kit is this. That is this. The kit which I ordered is, I think, a rose gold box clutch, normal box clutch with a top zipper and a golden sling. It is that kind of box which I ordered, but I have received this particular bag. Even that this is not bad, but of course this is not my choice. I wanted that bag, so I have already mailed them. Now I'm not going to swatch anything right now here. Nothing swatching, only showing you the haul. This is not a swatch video. The product which I got free, okay, not the free product, I'll talk about the ordered products. So this I have ordered from their fast forward stick range. This you can see, fast forward stick range, contour stick, espresso edge 02. So it is written over here, C02 espresso edge is the shade name. So this is the first product which I ordered. You won't believe, since you can check on my channel, I have lot of videos about the Sugar products, my favorite products from Sugar, eyebrow pencil. I have many products from Sugar, but I was not having this particular range, Suede Secret. Of course I know this is an older range, it's not at all newly launched product or something, but I wanted to try this particular range, that is Suede Secret matte lip color. So I have ordered 17 Gorget Grape. Shade which I ordered is this. So this is around 799, and for this I have paid around 400. 799 plus 400, so you all can make out 1199. So that was the minimum order. So I placed this two products order, and I got these two products absolutely free. Okay, so this clutch is free. Clutch you say, or sling bag say. I showed you the sling and everything. It comes with this kind of golden strap, golden chain strap. Okay, and this is like black and rose gold, and over here sugar is written. This is also a nice quality, but I wanted something different, and I got this metal Hess crayon poison ivy 03 shade free. With this bag I got this also free, so I got 2 products free. I ordered for 2, so total I got 4 products. Of course it's not a bad deal, but I wanted that particular clutch, so I've already mailed them. And with this lip crayon, you all are aware, you get a sugar sharpener free, so even this is a free product. So total I got 2 products free. I ordered for 2. So now if you want to see swatches and everything of this all particular haul, or maybe all these orders, just let me know down in the comment section. Write down in the comment, I'll definitely make a separate video. Plus I have a giveaway video up on my channel, that is a giveaway planning video up on my channel. Please watch that video, participate in that, and ask your friends and family also to participate in that, so the winning chances are more. Alright, and the gifts and everything will be decided by my family, my subscribers, my friends. They will be telling me, they will be actually guidelining me, and then I'll be announcing a product detail and everything in a separate video. I'll make a separate video for the announcement of the products. Okay, so this is just I wanted to inform you, and this is a haul which I shared with you from Sugar. Definitely check out Sugar's website. They do run very superb offers on time to time. So if you want to order, directly order from Sugar's website. They do have shipping and everything. I think they have, I'm sure they have cash on delivery also. So if you do not have banking facility and anything, definitely go for cash on delivery, and you can take the advantage of the sale offers, and you can just gather the products whichever you want. You can definitely order, and definitely order after lockdown. You just order right now, they will mostly deliver after lockdown. I'm not sure, just check it out with them. They have their numbers and everything given on their website. Call them up, check with them, or even mail them up, they'll reply you. Alright, and of course this video is not sponsored from Sugar. This is bought by my own money, not at all sponsorship, nothing, my own saved money. Alright, so I think this is all for this video. Hope you like it. On the end screen right now also you can see many other videos linked. You can just press on any of the video, or else visit my channel for lots of more such fun videos and everything. Just watch my channel, go to my channel, visit other videos, check out other videos, watch them, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.